happens, today's spotlight shines on Songbird.
Songbird by Medaglia d'Oro, now a perfect 3 for 3, her latest coming in the Grade 1 Chandelier Stakes.
But I mean, she has the potential to be any kind of a horse.
Her two-turn debut, did she surprise you?
It surprised me because coming away from the gate, she got slammed a little bit from both sides. So she's big, and that's a good thing because she just shook it off.
Homeward bound Songbird now just gets the rein shaken at her, and Songbird goes on gamely. Very game run from land over sea, but the fact is Songbird is just plain too classy. It is Songbird, the daughter of Medaglia d'Oro, in another scintillating performance today. Songbird.
I tried to sneak into Jerry's barn, but it appears I'm being watched by everyone.
Stay there, Doodle. Good boy. Yes, hello, Mama. You good girl. Yes, you want to say hi, don't you?
And of course she has her own brushes, as Supergroom Luini gets to work. She's all business as a very happy Songbird sets out for her first day back galloping, and boy, does she look good.